Hello everyone, Jesse Webb, TradersPro. Market conditions remaining mildly bearish in this bull market. We saw this overall counter trend. We're still stuck right in the middle here, not a whole lot changed from yesterday. Breadth also hasn't moved, sentiment hasn't moved. We also haven't seen the buy-sell ratio is still sitting right at this support area. Above that, bears in control here currently, and just not seeing a lot of action here in the market right now. Not a lot of ups or downs. We'll see what today ends up bringing. We're seeing this support area now that it's got a hold at this level right here. Let me draw that line, and a little bit of a pause after a pretty big day on Friday, and so we'll see. The market's really got a hold up right here. If they don't start to slide through this area and they start to move back down again, there's a good chance for some continuation to test that 132 area. We're also seeing the indices. We're seeing the Dow. That didn't change, or did it? Maybe it did by one stock, but we've got a buy-sell ratio of 1. Buy-sell ratio on NASDAQ 100 is getting pretty weak, and also S&P 500 at 0.74. So that buy-sell ratio is a good indicator currently for current market condition, current breadth of the market, current trend of the market, and just seeing a little bit of caution. That's why it's set currently at this mildly bearish, because it's stuck in the middle. Which way is it going to go? Is it going to move higher, going to move lower? It's got that bearish trend to it currently, so we'll keep a close eye on that. Any new stocks to be looking for today, pulling out of that new buy list. PK, let me just change this here and go to new buys. This is a still producer ADR, so it's a little bit choppy and jumpy right here, but a nice looking move is after a retracement and then a confirmation move higher. Do a little bit more homework on that ADR and within your overall brokerage account to see what that price activity looks like there as well. TRC, that's a buyout stock. We'll skip through that. CMPR, consumer discretionary, a nice looking pattern here, real tight uptrend with a little counter trend move, and just getting through this choppy consolidation is now back up in this overall buy zone. So nice looking of those three stocks. This by far is the best looking one. Let's see what other ones we've got here. NR 98 rank, oil field stock, oil and energy. Those are oil and energy and gold. We talked about that yesterday. Those are going to be some of the areas to be paying attention to. FICO, IT services, Fair Isaac. And nice, real tight consolidation range right here. Possible breakout on a $9 stock. AMRX, also really nice confirmation move, real tight trend. This is a really nice looking pattern here as well. AMRX with this overall support area retested here and here and here, and now possible breakout of this area, or at least continuation of the trend on a pretty significant move, 6.5%. That is the nicest looking chart out of that group as well. So there's a couple to keep your eye on for today. Again, market conditions mildly bearish. Be cautious out there as markets are working their way towards the upper end of this trend, and we could go either way right here. That'll do it for today's update. Everybody have a fantastic day today.